Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all today? So let's start. Let's do some tongue twisters today. So let's practice some tongue twisters. I have selected various tongue twisters. It looks very hard for me, but I will try inshallah. Okay, so let's start. The first one is red ladder, yellow ladder. Okay, so say it first. Say it fast. Red ladder, yellow ladder, red ladder, yellow ladder, red ladder, yellow ladder. Okay, so it's done. So the next one is rubber baby buggy bumpers. So speak it fast. Rubber baby buggy bumpers, rubber baby buggy bumpers, rubber baby buggy bumpers, rubber baby buggy bumpers. Okay, so it looks very easy. And the third one is a proper copper coffee pot. A proper copper coffee, sorry, a proper a proper copper coffee pot, a proper copper coffee pot. Sorry, a proper copper coffee pot, 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 a proper copper coffee pot. Okay, it was hard. So the fourth one is my favorite one. So say it. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? So repeat it. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? It was too much speed. So the fifth number is 6 sticky skeletons. So repeat it. 6 sticky skeletons. 6 sticky skeletons. 6 sticky skeletons. So it's done. And the sixth one is Pat Kid Bird Cart Pulled Caught. 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 Okay, done. The seventh number is 33,000 feathers on a thrush throat. 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 Okay. So eighth number is red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. It seems easy. The ninth number is the 33 types thought that they thrilled the throne. The 33 types thought that they thrilled the throne. The 33 types thought that they thrilled the throne. The 33 types thought that they thrilled the throne. The 33 types thought that they thrilled the throne. Okay, I will try to speak it faster. The 33 types thought that they thrilled the throne. The 33 types thought that they thrilled the throne. The 33 types thought that they thrilled the throne. The 33 types thought that they thrilled the throne. Okay, not bad. So it's the 10th number now. She sells seashells by the seashore. Okay, I will try to speak it faster. She sells seashell by the seashore. 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 Okay, so 11 number. I like New York, unique New York. I like unique New York. Okay, so repeat it. I like New York, unique New York. I like unique New York. I like New York, unique New York. I like unique New York. I like New York, unique New York. I like unique New York. I like New York, unique New York. I like unique New York. Okay. So the last one is 12th number. It's quite easy or difficult, you can say. So try it. First of all, I will try in British accent. Okay. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Okay, so try to faster, speak in faster. Okay. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Okay. Now try in American accent, and it will be we will pronounce T. We will pronounce D on the place of T. Okay, so it sounds like Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Okay, so try to speak faster. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. Okay, so hope you like it, this practice session. Do practice it, guys. It's really enjoyable and I love to practice it. Thank you for this. Thank you for staying with me for so long. Bye bye.